This is a quick review and feature overview for Google's MyTrack application. Google's MyTracks is an application that allows you to track walking, running, biking, or hiking data via GPS, and then it derives a large amount of information from that, such as distance traveled, obviously, speed, elevation, and such forth. Alright, so when you open the app, you're presented with the start screen, which is pretty basic. It has a search button, a GPS finder button. It shows all of your tracks in a dashboard sort of interface, a big record button, and a stop button to stop your recordings. Searching just allows you to search through your tracks. To start, you got to press the GPS button and it'll locate you. Clicking the red record button records your data as you move around, and then stop obviously stops that. Alright, so I have an example one here I'll use. So clicking on that will launch your map, and this shows you where you walked. As you can see, I started here and I just sort of walked around this way, all around here, and then I finished here. You can zoom in. If you click chart, it shows a chart of your elevation and speed throughout the walk or run. So speed, you can see where I was moving faster and then I'd stop and then move faster, and then like a spike. I don't exactly know why that spike's there. It also shows the elevation. So like here I was in a ravine area and then I walked back onto normal road. Clicking stats brings you the stats. In this one it says I walked a distance of 2.84 miles. The total time it took me to do that was almost an hour, so 53 minutes, 33 seconds, you see that. An average speed of 3.17 miles per hour. And then it shows the time I was actually moving, where I wasn't stopped, average moving speed. So that's the speed I was actually had while I was moving. So it takes away all the 0 mile per hour speeds when I was stopped. And then the max speed I was moving was almost 5 miles an hour for this walk. Going back into map, we can see this play button up here. If you click that, you can play back your walk in Google Earth. So say yes. It exports the track and then launches Google Earth. No thanks. Alright, it's loading up, and just give it a second to load. Pause that. There we go. Now some of the data is loaded. I won't make you all suffer through my hour-long walk, but you press play, and it just sort of shows what I did through the walk. Obviously this isn't real-time accurate. I was not moving that quickly. Let's just close that, and we'll go back to the application. Pop back in there. So the application of this is fairly obvious. It allows you to derive a great amount of data so you can set goals for yourself and then track your progress through those goals. It can also help you record interesting walks you had or areas that you'd like to visit again. So in just a second I will show it actually working while I'm moving around, but that's all for now. Alright, so once we're outside, you can just click the red record button. It will start recording and launch the map. Look at your location and track you as you walk around. Let's see, and track you as you walk around. There we go. Looks like I'm moving. I'm just in my backyard, so like not gonna be moving a lot. But there you go. And as you're walking, you can click the stats, and it'll show you how far you've gone, how much you've moved, and what your current speed is. And that's all there is to it.